So Frontiers Health has emerged as one of the leading global conferences on digital health. And it was conceived now 5 years ago to become like a home for the ecosystem to thrive. So this year, in year 5, there's the global conference in Berlin, Germany, which follows a number of fast tracks, which are smaller formats of 1 day each, that took place in different countries over the course of the year. And Frontiers Health is home to startups, of course. So this year we have 175 of them. It's home to large corporations, both pharmaceutical, medical device, and insurance companies that are basically practicing and discovering digital transformation. And this year are about a couple of hundreds. And then all the investors active in the space and the various incubators and accelerators are directly present or knowledge partners or participating to the conference program. All industries that have been digitally transformed have been people-centric. This happened in all the other sectors. So we had a big focus traditionally at Frontiers on patient centricity, not in a kind of a passive storytelling way, but in an active way. So what we can do to really make this functioning. Another topic that is very key to this year edition and has been also key to the last couple of years is digital therapeutics. Digital therapeutics are those software-driven, alone or in combination with drugs, interventions which are clinically validated and are able to generate positive health outcomes. So Frontiers has been the place where digital therapeutics for the first time have been largely covered in Europe. And as a tradition in that sense, so over the past 3 years, most of the digital therapeutics companies that are really breaking through in Europe have been here presenting. The investors that are really caring for this field are here as well. And new to this year, there are a number of large-scale life sciences and medical device companies which now have a digital therapeutic strategy or are in the process of creating one, which are using this forum to really kind of connect and brainstorm on what's possible. So I think digital therapeutics is a pretty big part of Frontiers and will keep so for the upcoming years. We've been talking patient centricity over the years. Now what we are trying to do is to basically activate in patient centricity. So good examples of this have been an entire breakout dedicated to the topic. And in this breakout, we had both pharmaceutical companies that have created kind of sound strategies in that field, together with the startups, together with our own experts, kind of discussing this in a practical way. Another very interesting session showed a great movie that by the title 15 Minutes of Fury that was basically premiered the last World Mental Health Day on the 10th of October, which is an all new concept, is a movie able to engage with very hard to reach target, in that case kind of young males in the football space in the UK. And this movie of 15 minutes, which was basically designed around the correct messaging, but rendered in the language with the intimacy that only the social media influencers within that community could have done, led to a superior product that really is killing all the metrics in terms of engagement and driving awareness on that topic. So that's an example of how data, creativity, patient centricity activated is able to mobilize people in an awareness journey that has been covered at the conference as well. And I like to also say that patient centricity is really kind of permeating in all different manners. Two manifestos conceived in two very different settings, one hospital-based and one life sciences company-based, have been presented here. So I think it's a big topic. It's not one topic, actually, it's a theme that is transversal to many things that we have been seeing over these 3 days.